Hello again, you lovely bunch. How are we all doing? Anthony from Easy Car Care here, and we're back with another episode of Everything You Need to Know. And in this episode, we're going to be covering Sleek, our interior dressing. So what is Sleek? As it says, it's an interior dresser and cleaner, but we've manufactured this one to be anti-static, so it won't draw all that dust back to it once it's clean. Use it on your dashboard, use it on your trims, all this tied together will leave your car looking factory fresh. So how do we use Sleek? Simple. Grab yourself your Works microfiber cloth and again, directly into the microfiber cloth. 3 or 4 squirts to start with. This ensures you don't get any overspray onto your windows or any glossy areas in your dashboard. Once you've done that, just simply wipe it across the area, leave it a few seconds, and if there's any excess, grab yourself a lush buffing cloth and just wipe away any excess. It's that simple. Tips on Sleek: you don't have to keep it to the interior of your car, you can use it in your engine bay as well. If you've got an engine bay cover or any other plastics there that you get in more modern day cars today, simply use it the same way and just apply it under the bonnet. First time mistakes for this one, just again, overspraying, going onto your glass or any glossy areas on your dashboard, so just keep it to your microfiber cloth, easy. So what can you pair Sleek with? Well, as I've said, our lush buffing cloth, but also our ultimate all-purpose cleaner. You can use this on your plastic areas like your door shuts that get full of mud, or if you've got any dirt on the plastics under the engine bay, give them a clean with this first and then finish off with Sleek. Leave it looking good. So that's everything you need to know about Sleek, our interior dressing. As always, if you like the video, give us a like and a subscribe. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. And again, thanks for watching.